Abusia Sally Mann agene ni so pa wa bra okopie mu ewo Power Entertainment also ewo TVSYZ as you na nim say Sally Mann dey say ye ka say obi en criticize obi pa dey a che say oye #1 social media no so dey enwum che say artist bia a wo den nwum ba no nenwum enye dey apart from Stone Boy and nenwum eye ne dey ewo nasum na okopie mu ewo Power Entertainment so and okomiti eye up and coming artist bi ewo ho na ye bo girl no nwe say o Sally enwum hu ni say enwum ne dey enye me dey na ge say ne wo boa woni any music background bia e ma me ka se menwum onye wo dey and na ge yi odiko host no say wo so o frɛ obi ama na betina o shoot afrɛ obi a o music background and also obi a oni music mu enye obi to say Sally Mann any girl no nsɛm de otutu bi pa e de ma no yenko ne yenkoti emra
enwum na nye de
Then you don't know music.
Yeah, I don't.
You don't know music because every hip hop fan is crazy about this.
Yeah.
Like it's going crazy on Twitter.
Okay.
So I mean, I understand.
Okay, yeah.
But Ajmaya, bring pundits that know music, not pundits that only talk about.
No, but Muddy, why are you saying that?
Wow. That's true.
No, Muddy, why are you saying that?
Because Sally doesn't have any music background. She does. Sally, what do you where's your creative qualification? I want to understand.
As in what?
As in everything, like if you are creative naturally and educationally, and you get certain things, and if you listen to certain kind of music and you are exposed to certain kind of genres, you understand what this music is about. So the way Sally would just say it, like point blank saying it, and I think say it's very hypocritical and ignorant.
On the part of Sally.
Yeah.
So why?
Because even if you're making a statement, you have to make sure say it's not just flat.
Okay.
You can't
coherent,
just,
okay.
You just listen to it like for a few seconds. So I think and it's not something I would
as an artist, you're not ready. You are not ready yourself to receive any criticism.
No, I'm ready, but then I'm also not.
So the person is criticizing you.
No, I will not let Sally criticize my music.
Why are you saying that?
Because she doesn't know anything about music.
Why are you saying that? Doesn't know anything about music.
But isn't it true?
No. But why are you saying that?
She doesn't. Sally, what music background do you have?
No, my dear.
To be on this program right now.
No. Why are you saying that? And a panelist on a show for so and then no. Look at me. The person has been a pundit for years, and you are telling me that the person doesn't know music, so
the pundit doesn't mean that you have music knowledge.
No.
You know, especially this music is flying abroad. It's flying. Places. You know what I mean? So when Sally says this, I get the work ethic, but then for the music ethic, she's completely wrong. You know. Because I'm looking for this word I can't find. Like when you're criticizing, like in education,
constructively. Is that what you mean?
Thank you very much. That's the word I'm looking for. You weren't constructive, so it's more like judgment. And when it's not constructive, it's shit.
No. But on radio, please.
No. Oh, sorry, but then when it's not constructive, then it's like there's something behind it. It has to be constructive. I remember like school and everything, when the teacher says something about you and they just say it bluntly, you feel offended. They have to say, oh, it's like this, but then you have to be like this, but just bluntly, and it's just like, popularity hunts.
My dear. So before the pundit came in, I told you that we are about to drop the song.
I accept it, Ajman. I accept the critic. I actually embrace it. I want to hear it, but then I'm saying, I love Sally, I love her energy and everything, but that's what I'm saying, Sally, you're careful, because she doesn't have this, with all love and respect. It's shit. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Sally, what do you say to that?
I will not speak on it, but I'll say that.
Yeah, but it's subjective, and like music, though, would be better. Even if you like, my music in this, it will be a problem. Music, someone will like it, someone will not like it, and it's okay. But then the way she just said it bluntly, is not psychological, It's
okay. Thank you. Your take. Sally's on Kabibia. Your take on the song we just played. Then I'll back up for.
Yeah, way. Sisi and already you need qualification to speak on the matter.
No, you can't. No. When you're constructive, it makes sense. Be constructive. Then it's sensible.
Hold on. I find the track a bit of like a ballad. So
you find it like
it's a ballad.
Okay.
Because I shared the story about my producer, that is what is made like.
No.
Yeah, I think it's also part of it.
Now, once in this market, and like it's in fashion, okay. Elsewhere, people enjoy such sounds, and he said maybe people are not so like accustomed to it. And I say, oh, this is so new, like it's not what we are used to. I think that is what is happening. But Ubisame and Yomuna, it has very few words. It's something that you can listen for relaxation. It's not actually something that you can use for like dancing and all that, but it's something you can listen whilst relaxing and all that, or maybe having an enjoyable moment. And market now, it will be almost this type of song. Intermediate, me feel say it's the market that will decide. It's a beautiful
the song is a no nonsense song.
Muddy, speak to the microphone.
The song is portraying resilience. It's portraying like no nonsense. You know, it's not your usual expectation of a track. You know, it's an anthem that celebrates the Ghana culture and celebrates the Ghana no nonsense.
That's
what I'm saying. So my question to Sally is, does she even speak Ghana? Because if you don't understand the language, you can't judge a track. Do you understand Ghana? You're going. You see, you're going.
No, Madia, please.
No,
Madia.
But Ajima, do you get me?
No. Respectfully.
Before
I'm getting a lot of messages concerning how you are taking the criticisms, and I don't think you would be happy if I read them out. Personally, I
want to hear it.
You want to hear it? You want me?
I was saying that the girl no air can no was saying yes say bia Sally Mann air criticizing on the ya name on the kwanya or fast to make his statements and they say and you mean yen deno and I say a yen and semi dear a young man for the ankasa say girl net make canajin and they actually Sally Mann I abeja for I say mamma call so nice a young fan comedy and fancy so midi and the akosia wajo me the show sister tap send adarama and they didn't comedy ever so mamma if you see free miss honum miss mema akaba I say be aboko and then yankopan say Sally Mann say so wajin na so dey na wo hwehwe e wonwom to fo no bi ho e na eye say what ye obi nyo na aka kire no bam say nwom no nyede
the no am boni you have a kan fun akiro the na Sally Mann na no I can't function the party before because of where they have me car.
Oh, okay.
See, and I am a tech who Sally, what you will so? What you will so in grand style? Maybe I didn't say the other to me, so who said, warden, no big deal when you say so. I am a papa. Not me say more about what you're intelligent. I didn't know. Me who ma we intelligent say ya na just say me be kura to say me to say asie nunu me madam why are there why are there wo mu ade onim kasa o mu nipa e me de pa say wa match ni boot for boot wo so ya kwanye what's funny na me swear me say me mbuni pa na ye show na o ke ka o toto ma me o toto ya mpia ma me na me menya ho me say me sorry say me swear say me mbuni pa enti me mbuni pa no me si wo na me si ama no chapi na me ni ebia kofi wusu abesia na kofi tutu bi me mane me na me buafu ase ababa wa bia de bufu ya ho konto ho ka me puma de pot sorry what you when you so what I'm not sure what I'm saying now then I'm not sure I think that it looks like a stunt for me we are sure that the mama share was Sally Debbie oh sorry who's that like who's sorry yes I'm sorry
charge on one person.
Who is sure that the most say? Cosali. There almost say.
O man sheshe. Jina jinin sem.
Hey!
Bo nsusu say girl on the bed man na ye say. O nsusu say girl on the bed na no say.
Hey! Me dey pesa o, me dey your phone. Me share why you ready for me. Me ya, but get one na less ye. Hey! Na me ma get you from afar, na me say we your phone. Na me no be say come na me say we suku say kuna sa wo phone. Ready na coupon. Fifi be say ready. Hey! Could you man me the hey rapper me book say who say for say Muddy. Oh, I hope so Dini are correct. Muddy. Me bo abaso. Me ni mu page can be my follow. Me ni mu page. Ha, that me no be say be ma ha girl what say rapper. Adia me penny ma. Wo mo ye strong. No oni ni e was what my rapper we are the rest. That's what I would do with some chinduku. Wo mo na wo ko hen. Say wo ko hen. Say what na say mo video better say I am trending. What's the account where you want when you me the show you for. Where you want sorry you.
When you want
what your mouth and you. And I say now what change why then na ma dia fa trend dey duru honom. And then was some ye way what dim die. Was it adie now wo criticize me wo ho no. Certificates were him. Sally. And then the wire ya was Shatawale were him. Two when you see Shatawale so it's been a thing was Siasika say Storm boy Momo creative agenda B somebody what they limited Shatawale. What would I say and next time today you find. Say Nadia Musha yes and your girl no like girl into me go viral. Now a idea study a wa. Shall we sign up crossing the day right say when you na hotro I would the job na you come man so do wa da je ah wa sorry I dey kan na ato so na tiko what say na tiko ya dudu
fele no fele ma shodi won say wonra Sally Mann e ka say nyom ne nye ne de no I say do anya girl ne de but obi anka we up and coming artist afre na wo ba at least enka hu say bia wo ani mu chen unte bia wo de boba no hu say the girl ne kan ye no
me da say en fait de que c'est ce ni chen chauffeur e che video bi a che bia na me shwa mo say bia ba ko me je fe so me make na hana men kan cho say the again ye
the way ne ye won
sister you 2 you 3 4 5 6 Share. If we are saying so, we are women bebre ya. They are one name and a children cancer.
Okay.
One Sally Mann started, why no one say Ajamai? Obi ain't many what Ghana say. Why any poor bit me then a compare now or Jan say as a throw fire
Obi ain't
but one while we are mobile. And you are to the extent that I see a piano to go. Come on, someone said, sorry, Fitiana, I'm sure you not make sure my baby, maybe or sorry, I come around and some dinner chair. No. I'm becomes money. No. It's a misunderstanding video more than 3 times. Sorry, Alain. If you are saying we are so prayer or to a pie. I'm pie or baby out. The baby a pie. Wow, we jam back. Bit me as a plan, bit me in the
Yamo bound.
Yeah. Oh, it's me in the Yamo back. It's me, my contract. I say, your year, no, and yet, or your upcoming it's a so bit and the family so. It's a so bit and the family so. Now, be sharp. Now, me expect to say, Sally Mann because so no quarry. Obia one opinion, so be a bibia. But find a nice way I'll wait me in a casa. Oh, yeah, meba, ubano. And you way there, no quarry, me dear to me, no. And yet, but
oh, yeah,
and I'll wait me a funny say, and Cabapa because send me a woe ban. Why is no crowd with the tournament? Hey, come on. Now, Obisa, me and Yamade. wodi mu nti se wo hwa mesra shatawale se baby biara wo won fa kole or you another shatawale girl I'm telling you hey ma feeling get out to the sense say e ma yan sorry waka na nka one body say ma we your ba wa wo ba nti nka hono po ukwa na se se wo so ni mu na wo try ni oh enyuma wo dia bad there and can't run point blank oh and we we are mine tell you your mind as a boy and you know get na just a one man look if me who whether you so no as a carpenter yet so sabe what can I say chan what they call toilet so aden so what do we so and the bia was so come on e suko no mo e na wa tsere wa o dia ma wo tu fo wo fala we don komi sisa na kisa so tsere ma wo dia na e den so so bi
oh for Johnsoy we nyane osane baba
mi shaya sa ko he se me wo si da e dia pantu ana into aso me hu aye short na na me we ai nti so sa mini meja Ghana yen na ye baako so bi ni bibi kra na wo betime ne na oh meba se dia wo ba e be bo pa na mum enyum no ye ni sei na ya kwan so sa na ya kan nyum to fa wo kan
ho bi
e bia se futuo na me na futuo kra you know futuo papa ben enti no kwa be se dia ga me kan ye se host ni fa obi a won fo obi o te enyom ase no me support ne 100% who fo obi o te enyom ase me pese me budi ya mkrofo bu ha o do mo tena ebi a wo interview o tumi se oh we dey onim nia wo ka onim nyom ase ye wo obi anso ne nyom a wote ase obo ho nim reggae mu pa obo ho nim hip hop different musical obi ane nia oye enti sale akofa ne ba minim na me se ka say trend na bi
we wo shy we timi say na me na ane no
oh yeah I'm telling you nya trend wo trend pa sale on sorry o me see ko be ha na ni
akeka bia girl
ma wo say ade bi o ha wo ye ya na cap na ya ma wo say we o free camera na chi a na minima ka me je ni say minima ka me bona so minima so ya da ya wa melo wa just wa let's cry it's in a quarry the yeah ne de enye what be aka say girl no mo ade David be was standing for the right kasa because and it's nothing more be entity of family so no so ne nyam no the obeti me dey aba out it is support no support na ko
jana manenko
and be kasa na nya we ya ne nya because e wo bo ha so oye bibi na se wanu sini su bebre a onye bi no akote tokro that time I was me that time met sisi e makote imeka obi ase na na from se wa wasan ko shemo wo nti esuno bia ne se dia wote nti dia dia ne ye ne de mesre se be bibiara shata wo bia esemfa minim se shata so do be fa minim because ni boldness no ye hia pa
okay say yen fam bra presenter no so the now host show no wo ma girl on the car say se presenter ne pe obi amanaba na wa betena ne show so onfa obi a onim music man or any music background bia ansa na the number wutie presenter no so na nu yi ano asa ode mage ono and I say on person obeje atum say also who is who the presenter at that time ono as na person on bully girl no ona who ne say
no who say there are a lot of bullies
okay
e wo kromo ha girl no woni say e sa de na e wo ha wa steady system no ansa na wo kwa kwatena interview ka so on steady ya on ko salisu o kon ka na adwen kire no se mi si he na mi ni medjuma ne ni so na ma kwa kwatena o na mu intimide obua e so ga be sai
okay
mi donya mi se show no ne nka be sai mi ko so a se dia be ga ko de se we nsi ne ni ana o si ne we nsi ne mi se meni na nya mo daje se me nsi meni na mi muna mbe se me muna me sra mbe se me sre mi se meni na me de kwata me se ka ko na be sai me dia ka be sai o me dia ka be sai na de ko ha ko ya na de o bi ka sai da a de party I said that ka be sai na wa ko sa mi se presenter na nka sa no mo nka bre and so wo ko tan the presenter na ka je oje no anya ni he anfa no say ayekuo e kan say ekuo group of company as ye we interview ni e be cheche me be podi me bibi sa no me medical study munti me ba no my ready ana me dia mama e ba be the magic dia me kan say he o maintain ye o comport wo na dia wo kan enua na wo kan dio ye o huri dio akwa dio chia sani na sani person portray bibi to say I say nya ne type do metina say eme tie wo cause on kan yansa so obua ebe
okay
obua eya mo ja sani na nkasa nyama wo ye ni na acha say wo say obi a o si so no nyama bi wo no we nya inti jaw wani mu nipa ho especially ne nonko ma o na waka ba sama ya o so ka wo mo so sa unchi sa ya kan ya fi esia kan ya isra sa
ba o so
oh me
obeba o so
unchi so ani bia sa do kunu abo esi ti bi na twist me say do na me chim asabi ensatie bia na me sha asabi kiki wo ko je nya fe me wo gam designer papa bi me kasa me sha wo ye be so it's a put the free ye so ko to pum
okay
and they are chill wo ga na your less
okay
what do want to position
okay
what do want to one it is answer for now we need be chai working out hey no dey ni dey radiation ye money dia once na you think okay comment section Sally obi asiga na ya de oh e ya kete na Sally betu Sally ka utu
wanya ntu
ana ge obi na ba abo se po e no sorry now sorry what fele yo what money get Sorry, when I'm going. You know, me I'm manager. Okay. Manager, my girl on the pa, Miss Rose, obedu etri.
Okay.
Because mo bia entity our family, so they will know ye no.
No I.
So unni mo nso asua bi ka ho. Dia ogwani mu se won ben no. Na won ne nkasa o ebia enyum na me pese mento. Me sra wo de wo di candidate. Ade we se na me ya.
The baby.
On microphone kasa. Baby, no, it was good.
It was good.
Into uncle so now obia we di kind and what fan level on any mango more. Now on church that is it.
Okay. I was here for a minute was the pass. I would penny a jay brena or the share Jumedi. I come and say ye. Nyame adoma ye besane share beam. Tap send a daroma. And I way a chidom and may a day and ne discussion ever so more. Midi, I de Akosia Wajawa me the show sister Makram.
Your favorite way to send money to Ghana is back! We're excited to announce that Tap Send is back and better than ever. After a brief pause, we are happy to resume our mission of providing fast, affordable, and secure money transfers to Ghana. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Tap Send is working power. And remember, tell your loved ones abroad to send money through Tap Send to stand a chance to win big in the December Sambra promo. Tap Send. Papa no.